A standard token possesses all the basic utilities of a cryptocurrency and is most commonly used by projects. Creating a standard token is pretty simple. First, we enter the token name, then we enter the token symbol. In my case, I'll name my token AngelSale K, and its abbreviation as ASK. The next blank is the token decimal. It defines how divisible your token can be. We don't have to worry too much about it. Let's just enter the default number, 18. And we can also set the total token supply, for example, as 1 million with 6 zeros. And I've already uploaded a logo of my token. We don't have a coupon code available yet, so we'll just skip that. Last but not least, we click Create Token to proceed. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. And it's done. Now we have successfully created a standard token. I can either use it to finance my project or simply share it with my friends for fun and giggles. Standard token is easy to create, but when it comes to achieving more specific functions, you might also want to take a look at the reflection token. Unlike standard token, reflection token allows you to charge buy and sell tax on your token transaction. You can also choose how you want the taxes to be distributed. You see that there are two types of reflection tokens. One is a standard reflection token, the other one is called the advanced reflection token. The only difference between them is this. The standard reflection token does not allow you to differentiate taxes, so we see that there's token fee for both the buy and sell tax. Whereas when we choose the advanced reflection token, the buy and sell tax are differentiated and you can set different tax rate for each category. Since the advanced mode is more detailed, we'll use it as an example. Like what we did before, let's enter the token name. This time, I'm going to name it AngelSale L. Its abbreviation as ASL. We'll keep decimals the same, 18, and a total token supply of 1 million. What's new here is that you have to enter a router because it will ask you to add a percentage of the tax to the liquidity pool. And router is where you choose to add your liquidity. If your project is on Binance Smart Chain, you can choose PancakeSwap as your router. Now we get to the part where you set the distribution of your taxes. AngelSale will ask you to enter 4 percentages for each category. Let's take buy tax for an example. Reflection fee is basically a dividend that you charge from the taxes and pay to your token holders as reward. And in my case, I will put 1% here. Liquidity fee is a percentage of the taxes that you will add to the liquidity pool. And I will put down 2% for this. Burn fee is a percentage of the taxes that will be burned. Let me put 3%. Both the burn fee and the liquidity fee will help drive up the token price. You should consider this carefully before you set the percentage for both. Finally, there is a marketing fee. Marketing fee is the amount that you take from the taxes and use it for marketing your project. The fee will be sent to a marketing wallet you designate. You can either use the owner's wallet or create a new wallet to separate the fund. For convenience reason, I will use a wallet which I created earlier, and I will put 4% as our marketing fee. Just enter the address created. You should be aware that adding 4 percentages altogether is the total tax on buy. So in this case, the overall buy tax is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 10%. Now let's do the same for the sell tax. Put down 1, 2, 3, 4%. Also a total of 10% of sell tax. And here you need to upload a logo as well. I already did mine. And then we hit create token. Confirm the transaction in your wallet as always. And it's done. Reflection tokens are a bit harder to create, but it does provide good incentives for investors to hold your token for the long run. Last but not least, let's dive into the dividend token. First, let's select the dividend token right here, and then we put down some basic information. We'll name our token as AngelSale M, and we put ASM as its abbreviation. We set a decimal as 18 with a total token supply of 1 million. Select PancakeSwap as a router. For the token fee, you need to designate the taxes being added to the liquidity pool. Let's make it 5%. Now, designate a type of cryptocurrency that you pay the dividend with. In my case, I will use BUSD to reward my investors. You can find the contract address of BUSD on BSC scan. I've already got a copy to my clipboard, so I'll just paste it here. Let's say I will charge an additional 5% of the tax to pay for dividend. So we'll enter 5% here. That means we'll charge additional 5% on the buy and sell tax, on buy and sell, and that 5% will go to our investors in BUSD. After you finish this, set the minimum holding limit. Users who hold less of your tokens than this threshold will not be able to receive a dividend. Let's set it to 1,000, for example. That means if the holders hold less than 1,000 of your token, they're not able to get that BUSD reward as dividend. I've already uploaded my logo, and let's click Create Token. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. There's just one last thing. After you create a token, you can either copy its contract address, or you can click here and find the token that you created at your user dashboard. Now you know how to mint all 3 types of tokens at AngelSale. It's not too difficult, is it?